In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to filter your sold listings out of your List Perfectly catalog permanently. As most of you know, if you're in your catalog, you can use your filters along the top to filter out your solds. So if you only want to look at items that have not sold, you can click that filter and say apply. But if you want to skip that step every time you're in your catalog so that you are always only looking at items that have not been marked sold, you can set that permanently so you can just skip that step of filtering out your solds. You want to go to the top to account, hover over that, drop down to my account. When you open that page, along the top here where it says subscriptions, referral area, payments, click settings. When you're in your settings, you'll scroll down to listing catalog filters, and you can check the radio button next to not sold listings. If you highlight that and save profile, your catalog will permanently filter out those sold listings, and you will always be looking at items that have not sold. And if you ever want to change back, you just push the button next to all listings and tell your profile to save. This is just a way to skip a step if you don't want to filter every time you don't want to look at your solds.